My fellow Americans, we here at the CCB factory, not only do we work on ATVs and motorcycles and what have you, we of course like to shoot our guns and fix our guns and clean our guns and try to fix our red dots. So I posted a video just the other day about that Romeo Zero Elite, how it is randomly shutting off and stopped working. And I found it to be an issue with the tabs for the battery. Well, I had another issue with it today where I had to pop out the battery again and do some more messing around with it. So I wanted to show you some brilliant artwork I made to try to show you what I'm talking about, to see if any of you guys can confirm if this makes any sense, if what I'm showing is legit, or if it's just dumb luck. So let me show you here. And here we go. Today we are going to be discussing the Romeo Elite. And now you're thinking, damn, who knew CCB was such an artist? And don't forget to, if you want to. If you don't, don't bother. That's fine with me. Now back to my artwork here. Okay, so on the bottom of said Romeo Elite, where the battery goes in, here's the two screws that hold it to the gun. If you remove the battery, it looks kind of like this. Obviously this is all chicken scratching, but just trust me, it looks kind of like this. You got this tab, and a bigger tab up here. And there's like 4 dots in the middle here. I don't know, that's, I think, the positive side, I believe. And I don't know if it looks that way because of the shake awake system, or if that's just how they do it on this style of red dot. But anyway, I assume positive here. And these, I think, are the negative terminals, I believe. Mine looked like this. Normal. Mine. This one here was all antlered. I'm not joking, it looked just like that. This side, it's like, kind of cups the battery just right. This side was all just, blah, 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 just like that. So I've been trying to rework it with this here pick tool to make better contact with the battery. So keep in mind, the issue has been happening for me, like if you're just holding it, it'll stay on. But if you cock the slide back and then just release it so it just goes whoosh, sometimes the light it'll be off, it's no longer working. So I took the light back off, and this tab here that was all dicked, I've made more of an effort to bend it over closer and make it look closer to this one. And I put the battery back in there. And now at this point, cross your fingers, I've been cycling the piss out of it, manually. I haven't brought it to the range yet, but so far I've been slapping it pretty hard and the lights stayed on. But from what I can tell, with the Romeo Zero Elite, it looks as if the tabs are all dicked on one side, on mine anyway. So if somebody else has one and's looked in there, or currently has it apart, is yours more like this, where it's kind of the same on both sides? Or is one of yours messed up looking too? But as of right now, it does seem to be working again, even after I smack it around some. So I still think this is what's going on. Don't forget to, if you want to see some junk content that I put out there like this, some of it's useful, some of it might just be stupid, but either way, let me know what you think on this. Interesting. Peace out.